Page 26, Go Tell It on the Mountain. Well, this looks kind of ugly here. Yeah, let's take a look at it. Actually, it is kind of ugly, but it's alright. 4/4 time, 4 counts in a measure, a quarter note gets a count. I'm going to kind of take both hands together because it works out that way and it shortens the video. It just works out okay. At the beginning, the left hand you're here and here. And the right hand you're here, so we're in C position. And you're playing these together, half note. 1 and 2 and the eighth notes. 1 and 2. And the left hand's got to come up, the whole hand's got to come up one key. Here. So again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and leave the left hand there for now. And then the third measure, 1 and 2 and 3. This rhythm gets people because it's like, because you're playing on the end of the beat. 1 and 2 and. So that's what I mean. So just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Just go over to however you gotta go over to try and get it. Now, we are here in the left hand because at the end of the first line you're here. And then immediately in the next measure they want you here. That doesn't work out real well. So I'm going to suggest we stay here. And you simply leave your thumb where it is. You're leaving all these fingers, the little fingers coming down. And you're going to use 5 and 2 for that, not 5 and 1. We're just going to stay here and just going to reach out a little bit. You could have actually started the piece with that too. That way you don't have to move your hand around. So measure 4, we're ending it here. And then I'm just going to go here. I'm staying there. Second finger on G. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 2. Now you can move that left hand down, back where it was. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Measure 9. Left hand crossover. We've done this before in the other hand. Now this hand gets to have some fun. Now in the right hand, we're going to reach up to this position here. Not here, we're here. So it's 2. Then collapse it, come back down. And the left hand comes up. Isn't this fun? Hold that down as you play that. A D and an F. Never mind what it sounds like, that's it, just go on. And then again in the left hand I'm going to use 5 and 2. Like we were before. And that's basically the piece. You have a repeat signs there on page 27 where you keep repeating for each verse. When we do the play with me and the duet, I'm just going to repeat one time. And that's it. So you go through and work it out and then get rid of the hesitation so it's a steady beat. Then we'll think about the slurring, which really there isn't any. You can follow the words. Connect it, lift up. I would connect this, the last 2 measures, the first line. I'd connect all that together. I don't know why they're slurring it like they are. This is connect. Then you can lift up. To give you a rest, you have to lift up. So put in the slurring. Just lift up like taking a breath. Let the music breathe. Lift up. Lift up. The fermata, you just hang on a little longer so you can go way forever or whatever. If I do it with a metronome, I'm going to hold the half note 4 counts instead of 2, and then we're going to go on. Because I got to stay with the metronome. And the dynamics go to the melody. Loud, whatever you think. Don't get super loud. Just so it's soft. When you get to measure 7, this is soft. not melody. I'm going to play this loud. Lots of weight on the right hand, very little weight on the left. Then I measure 9. Now the left hand gets the melody, but you come down to sort of loud. Not loud, just sort of loud. You're staying there till measure 17, you go back up to loud in the right hand for the melody. Now on measure 15 on the second line, there is a retardando there. You're going to slow down. And both of this on measure 16 here and here, same loudness here. Yeah, there's fine. And then you finish it loud. Speed. It's a happy piece. But they said was swing, and that's the kicker. That's the kicker. I don't know, watch out. Swinging. We're swinging now. Different styles, and this can be played in different styles, but this arrangement, they want you to play it in a swing style, with swing. That means we swing the counting. We swing the eighth notes. We don't go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We go 1 and 2 and 3. And it's long short. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Just the eighth notes, nothing else. And that's swing style. That's moderately with swing. You want to go slightly fast, you have to watch out, because when you start swinging the notes, you got to slow down. Either the short notes on those long shorts, the short notes are too short. So that slows it down when you swing it. I wouldn't go too fast. Careful on that, because then you start, so don't go too fast on that. I wouldn't go any faster than what I just did. And you don't need to go that fast. Minor little things just so you understand what's going on in the music. At the beginning and several other places in here, they don't actually count for 4 beats in both stabs. See, at the beginning, all you get in the left hand is a half note and an eighth note. That's not 4 counts. And the right hand, the last half of the last beat is not there. So you don't have 4 beats in each measure. What they've done, and they do this a lot, is they've combined the 2 staves together as though it's 1 staff. And that's how you're treating as far as the rhythm goes, it's just 1 staff. So all of this goes together, and then all these eighth notes, that's the last 2 beats of it. So you're not showing 4 beats in each measure, but all together. So that half note in the left hand, that's just 2 beats. Don't hold it down. No, lift it up. Like so. And they do that in a few other places too, just so you understand it. Now over on page 27, as I said before, there's a retardando there on measure 15. You slow down. Well, at this point we're going slow. So unless we're going to continue going slow for the rest of the piece, we need something to tell us to speed back up. And that's what measure 17 above the staff, there's an ah tempo there, and that's what that means. That means resume the speed you were going before you slowed down or before you changed speeds. So now we're back to our regular speed. I like to play this with you very slowly. Let's check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics, but I will do the notes and the rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts, and we are going to do the repeat one time, just one time. And I'm going to swing it too. I'm going 1 and 2 and yeah, the whole bit. 1, 2, and ready and go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, rest. 4, hold, go on, 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, repeat. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, go on, and 2 and 2, 3, rest. I'd like to do the duet with you on this. That's at the bottom of the page. I need you to go up an octave. So pretend middle C is up here, like we've done this a few times, and instead of here, you're up here. And I am going to speed this up a little, so let's try it. I'll give us 4 counts. We're going to do the repeat sign once, so we're going to play page 27 twice is what it means. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 8.